Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to show you how to fix SeatGeek app error. Most SeatGeek error happen because of weak connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. After switching, reopen the SeatGeek app. Now fully close the app, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, find the SeatGeek app and swipe it away to close it. Reopen the app and check it if the error is gone. Next, refresh your account, open SeatGeek setting, log out of your account, close the app completely, open it again and log it back in. This fixes many account related issues. An outdated app can cause error. Go to App Store. If you see any update, tap it. Once updated, open the app again. Restarting, clear small glitches. Turn your phone off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open SeatGeek and try again. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.